Looking for a screen protector that keeps your iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 10 looking flawless without sacrificing touch sensitivity? The Array Screen Protector offers premium 9H hardness tempered glass with a 3D round edge design, perfectly sized for 5.8-inch screens like the iPhone XS. It preserves your phone's original touch accuracy while shielding it from daily wear and tear. What sets Array apart is its durable, anti-scratch surface that stands up to shocks and impacts. Thanks to its hydrophobic and oleophobic coating, it repels sweat, oil, and fingerprints, so your screen stays crystal clear longer. This means fewer smudges and less cleaning, keeping your display sharp and responsive every time you use it. Installation is hassle-free with the included guidance frame, making it easy to align the protector perfectly. No more dust, bubbles, or fingerprints trapped underneath, just a smooth, flawless fit after one simple push. Even if you're not a pro at screen protectors, Array makes the process straightforward and stress-free. Worried about compatibility with your phone case? Array's case-friendly design leaves enough room around the edges, so the protector won't lift or get squeezed out by most cases. Just note that it's not ideal for bulky battery cases with thick raised edges, but for standard cases, it's a seamless fit. The package includes 3 screen protectors, 3 accessory kits, and 1 installation frame. Each accessory kit contains guide stickers, a wet wipe, a dry wipe, and a cleaning cloth, everything you need to prep and apply the protector perfectly. Having extras means you're ready for quick replacements or sharing with family. Users across the United States praise Array for its easy application and reliable protection. One review highlights how the protector lays down flat without bubbles and stays flawless over time. It's the kind of dependable screen protection that makes you wonder why you'd ever settle for less. If you want to keep your iPhone screen pristine without complicated installation or sacrificing touch performance, Array's screen protector is worth a look. It offers solid defense against scratches and fingerprints while maintaining the sleek feel of your phone's display. Try Array when you're ready to upgrade your screen protection. With its premium materials, thoughtful design, and easy installation, it's a smart choice for anyone serious about keeping their iPhone 11 Pro or X series in top shape.